Hi, I'm Slavic.
And I'm Matt with idrinkcoffee.com, and today we're going to be talking about frothing and pouring latte art with non-dairy milk.
There's a wide variety of non-dairy beverages or nut milks available on the market today. We're going to be working with macadamia, almond, soy, and coconut milk today, but there are other ones like oat milk, rice milk, hemp milk, amongst others. When it comes to coffee and frothing milk for cappuccinos and lattes, nut milk can pose a challenge because it doesn't froth very well. The reason for this is that nut milks have little to no protein, and protein acts as the emulsifying agent that creates that foam that makes such great lattes and cappuccinos.
To solve this, brands like Macademia and Pacific have created the Barista Series. In the Barista Series, they've added an emulsifier, which makes it possible to create a nice microfoam for pouring latte art.
The first milk we're going to be frothing is almond milk, which is also the most popular milk. So I'm going to start brewing this espresso, and Matt's going to start frothing. Now, frothing nut milk is exactly the same as regular milk, and for pointers on that, you can watch our video and our tutorial on latte art. But Matt's just going to froth up this almond milk, and we're going to pour some latte art and see how it tastes. The almond milk is very sweet. It has a nice natural sweetness to it.
The nuttiness from the almonds really comes out, and it complements the coffee quite nicely.
And another thing that's really great about almond milk is that it's, like most nut milks, lower in calories. Almond milk has half the calories as whole cow's milk. So now Matt is pouring coconut milk.
I find the coconut milk nice as well. It's a lot more of a neutral flavor, so the coffee shows through quite a bit more.
I'm getting a lot of the same. That's a good way of describing it as neutral. You taste the coffee more, I find, than with the almond milk. There's less flavor imparted. I also find the body to be a little bit lighter than with the almond milk.
I would agree with that.
And now we're on to soy. So Matt's pouring with soy milk. And as you can see, if you've watched any of Matt's other videos, non-dairy milk or nut milk is definitely harder to pour with. His designs aren't as crisp as they usually are, but with practice you can get better. Now, I'll say that soy isn't my favorite drink in general. However, I do find that it has probably the best body, the heaviest mouthfeel out of all the milks we've tried so far.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting the same. As far as the foam goes, it was the easiest to get a nice microfoam out of all of the milks so far, and the pattern is holding up very nicely, which is an indicator of well-foamed milk.
Yeah, it looks really nice. This is the Latte de Macademia, which is a product from Macademia designed specifically for coffee. Now, I love macadamia nuts, and the macadamia milk has a beautiful aroma. You really smell and taste that nutty flavor.
Yeah, I definitely agree. The macadamia flavor really comes through. I find this quite similar to the almond milk, but a little bit less sweet and a little bit less body.
There are many reasons why people choose non-dairy milks. If you have a lactose intolerance or a dairy sensitivity, if you're vegetarian or vegan, or if you want to reduce your calorie intake. Nut milks tend to have much less calories than cow's milk, actually usually half or less.
While it was a little bit more challenging to foam the non-dairy milks, products like the Pacific Barista Series or Latte de Macademia from Macademia definitely make it possible to create a microfoam suitable for latte art.
All of the products that we've used in this video are available now at idrinkcoffee.com. If you have any questions about nut milk, regular milk, or anything to do with coffee or espresso, please feel free to reach out to us. We're always happy to help, always happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.